Welcome, today I'll show you how to change icon shape into a DOOGEE V20. First of all, go into our Play Store and find X Icon Changer application. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And tap open. Sorry, need close ads. And now find your application. Maybe camera will be nice. And now from the library of our icon, choose your new icon, maybe this one, and tap OK button in the top right corner. Tap. Okay, got it. And maybe need close ads a few times. Okay, so when you see this message, tap Add automatically, and we got success message, and go our home screen, and here we got our camera, a new camera icon. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.